The Panasonic Lumix GH7 and Sony A7V are two standout mirrorless cameras that have captured the attention of both videographers and photographers. Known for their advanced features and versatility, these models are often at the top of the list for creators seeking high-quality results. Each camera brings unique strengths to the table, making them popular choices for a wide range of shooting styles and creative projects. In this comparison, we'll explore how the GH7 and A7V stack up across key performance areas, helping you determine which might be the best fit for your needs. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 and Sony A7V each offer impressive video capabilities tailored to creative professionals. The GH7 stands out with 5.7K, recording at 30 frames per second, and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, plus internal ProRes RAW HQ support for extensive post-production flexibility. In contrast, the Sony A7V delivers 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, oversampled from a 7K sensor for sharp, detailed footage, though it lacks internal RAW recording. Both cameras provide robust color profiles, with the GH7's V-Log profile giving creators more room for color grading. Ultimately, your choice may depend on whether you prioritize higher resolution and editing flexibility, or exceptional detail and dynamic range straight out of the camera. Both the Panasonic Lumix GH7 and the Sony A7V are equipped with advanced image stabilization systems designed to keep your footage steady, even in demanding conditions. The GH7 features a 5-axis dual IS-2 system, delivering up to 6.5 stops of stabilization, which is especially beneficial for handheld videography and shooting on the move. In comparison, the Sony A7V offers a 5-axis in-body stabilization system that provides up to 7.5 stops of compensation, making it highly effective for minimizing shake across a wide range of lenses. These systems are invaluable for creators who often work without a tripod or in unpredictable environments. Whether you're capturing fast action or filming in low light, both cameras help ensure your shots remain crisp and stable. Autofocus technology plays a crucial role in ensuring your images are sharp and your video transitions are seamless. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 features a hybrid autofocus system that combines phase detection and contrast detection, enhancing both accuracy and subject tracking. With 225 focus points, it delivers reliable performance for most shooting scenarios. In contrast, the Sony A7V stands out with its advanced hybrid autofocus system, offering 693 phase detection points that cover nearly the entire frame. This extensive coverage and rapid focusing make the A7V especially well-suited for fast-moving subjects and smooth cinematic video transitions. Low-light performance is a crucial factor for many photographers and videographers, and both the Panasonic Lumix GH7 and Sony A7V bring impressive capabilities to the table. The GH7 utilizes a BSIC-MOS sensor, which enhances sensitivity and reduces noise, delivering clean images even as ISO levels rise. Its noise reduction algorithms help maintain detail in dimly lit environments. In contrast, the Sony A7V features a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor with dual-gain output technology, allowing it to achieve up to 16 stops of dynamic range. This results in excellent detail retention and minimal noise at high ISO settings, making the A7V particularly strong for night photography or challenging lighting conditions. Both the Panasonic Lumix GH7 and Sony A7V are designed with user comfort and intuitive operation in mind. The GH7 features a touch-sensitive, fully articulating screen, making it easy to shoot from creative angles or monitor yourself during vlogging. Its robust, weather-sealed body and built-in cooling fan support extended shooting sessions in various conditions. In contrast, the Sony A7V offers a high-resolution tilting screen and an intuitive menu system, allowing for quick navigation and adjustments, even for those new to the system. Both cameras prioritize ergonomic handling, ensuring that long shoots remain comfortable and efficient. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 excels with its advanced video features, including high-resolution recording and internal ProRes RAW support, making it a top choice for videographers who demand flexibility in post-production. Its robust stabilization system and versatile design also cater to creators who often shoot handheld or in dynamic environments. On the other hand, the Sony A7V stands out for its superior low-light performance and cutting-edge autofocus, appealing to photographers and hybrid shooters who need reliable results in a variety of conditions. If your work prioritizes cinematic video and editing freedom, the GH7 is likely your best match. For those who value exceptional image quality, autofocus precision, and adaptability across both photos and videos, the A7V is a compelling option.